Hey guys, what's going on? Today I'd like to show you another feature in Zoner Photo Studio, except this time we'll be looking into the editor module, and we're going to take a photo that looks like this and turn it into something that looks like this. We'll be focusing on lines and symmetry in this video, so let's go check it out. Okay, so I've already got a picture here ready in the editor module, and this is actually taken by my colleague David, who you might recognize from other videos. And the first thing we're going to do is duplicate this layer, which you do here, hit duplicate. Now, to show you the effect I want to go through today, I'm going to flip this layer horizontally. And to do that, you go up here to the Move and Transform, and right here to flip it horizontally. Boom. Next, I'm going to create a mask. And you do that by going here to the mask tool. Make sure you have this layer selected. Hit mask and hide all. And as you can see now, there's a black box here, which is actually hiding our flipped layer. And what we see now is the original layer. Next, I'm going to move up here to the drawing tools and make sure your paintbrush is selected. Now with this tool, you're actually going to reveal or hide parts of the layer that we have hidden right now. To really make sure that this effect takes place properly, make sure that your opacity is turned up to 100% or this effect won't work. The next thing I'd like to tell you about is right here, this color eye drop. The white color is what makes everything reveal itself, and the black is the opposite, and it hides the layer again that you're trying to reveal. All right, so I'm gonna start here and check out what happens. Whoops, I went too far. And now I'm going to use the hide feature. There we go. The road marker's back in place. Let's try it again. But I'm going to zoom in this time. And I'm going to decrease the diameter of the brush itself. I'm going to zoom in a bit more. Sometimes you have to be real detail orientated. Okay, that looks pretty good. I'll finish it off here. Don't be afraid to change the diameter on the fly as you go and as you. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. Whoops, we still gotta do this. I didn't see that there. And I'll finish this part of the field and make it look as if it was tilled as well. There we go. That looks good. Okay, what about this marker? We could leave it, but I think that's boring and we wouldn't learn anything. So I'll show you another trick that you can do to get rid of it. So first thing we'll do is add another layer. And then we'll go here to the Retouching Tools. And make sure that for your source, you choose all layers, which is currently selected. Now, let's see what we can do. You want to choose a spot that we can copy and emulate into the same position. So hit Control, and I think this spot right here will do pretty well. So I'll choose that. I just let go of Control, and I'm gonna click and move the brush up as I go here. And try to stay within the boundaries of the marker so it looks as natural as possible. And how's that? Yeah, that looks pretty good. Okay, I'm gonna go back to the drawing tools and the paintbrush. Make sure you choose your layer. I just want to show you guys what would happen if I continued to brush this scene. And I'll increase the diameter of my tool. So as you see, it just copies the other side, and we begin to lose that natural look to the photo. In some situations, this would work great, but I think for today's video, I don't think it looks as good. So I'll just keep it like this, and I think the photo looks good. Okay, and that's it for today. I hope this video was useful for you and that you learned something. Let me know what you think below, positive and negative. If it's negative and I read your comment, I probably won't sleep at night, but that's okay, I'll get over it. So thanks for dropping by, and see you next time. Ciao.